I've been tidying again, and I have found a bag of Pebeo Colorex watercolour inks, as well as some food colouring. Also, a big bag of tubes of watercolour paint, and I think these I actually do like to use. There's a mixture of Pebeo, the extra fine ones, then some Winsor & Newton, and some SAA, which is Society for All Artists. I also found this bottle of masking fluid, which is by Sennelier, and I don't think I've used it, and it's gone green with age, but if you shake it, or it could already be green, I don't know, but if you shake it, it tends to go a light mint green, but it's kind of white at the top, so don't know if it's ever going to work. We'll have to test that out eventually. And then at the back there, I have got some watercolour paint kind of pens by Winsor & Newton, the watercolour markers, and some oil pastels. So my art desk is looking rather busy at the moment because I'm in between recording for Funtober, as well as I found these other art supplies. I've got my water there for filling up my watercolour, jars for painting. But all these bags here, I've really got to tidy. But if I do tidy, I then forget about them. So I've got to do a video about all of that.